Yeah, sure.
Is he hitting buttons? Is it turning on? Is it too
The
thick?
battery's not working. That's what
Oh, batteries?
yeah, it needs batteries.
He wants the wrapped present.
Honey. Hey, you. Hey, you. Of course, when I was wrapping presents at home, he was all excited about unwrapping them for me.
Yeah, but now.
Hey.
Mierda.
No, I look at this one.
Oh, the chocolate
Domingo.
cake fiasco? Oh, Lord.
Domingo. Is that your
August, that's his
computer?
birthday. August,
It's a computer. Are you installing a printer like you did on Mommy's computer?
August 7th, right? Yeah. I can remember it.
Okay.
And
Here.
then 9:22
Look.
for David.
Should Mommy open your presents for
I'm
you?
really bad with pictures. I'm not really with pictures.
Wow. What's
You did
this?
it. What is the law?
What did Uncle Mike get you?
Look.
Maybe we should have left the computer for last.
Last year, she put our July 29th, she put it July 31st.
Whoa.
I had a calendar.
This is from Uncle Mike.
Hey, honey, when's our anniversary?
Can you say thank you, Uncle Mike? July 29th.
Yeah, you sure?
Whoa. That's cool. Yeah.
It doesn't change that much face-wise if you go
Can you sing it?
It changed a lot to me.
I remember this. Yeah, but this is how we
Really? Are you reading your book? He likes to read to himself. The other day I caught him hanging out in front of David and reading to David. He would read his book, look at David, look back at his book, turn the page. Did you see this one? Look. Wow. Flaps. Wow.
Flaps to rip off, yes. Oh, you love to
We're
rip
gonna
things.
read our books later. Whoa. He doesn't know which way to turn.
Don't worry, I got to trade it.
And then look at this one. What? Look at this book. Look. Wow. Okay, that one will definitely work easily.
Oh.
Turn the page, please. Turn the page, please. Thank you. Oh, he's baking. Turn the page, please.
You don't mind?
I like the picture with Mike.
Look at that. Is that Jack and Jill? Whoa. Turn the page, please. Whoopee. Oh, we're going to read these
Put a
nursery
picture of
rhymes
President Obama for
later.
President's Day.
Wow. How about this book from... All
Don't
of
rip
these
those
books
pages.
were from Uncle
Who's
Mike.
Brittany Bolton?
Thank
where's
you,
that
Uncle
computer?
Mike.
I like this computer. This is a cool gift.
Can you open your present from Daddy and Mommy? Domingo. Can you open your present from He's too busy playing with your books to open his gifts. Can you open your present from Daddy and Mommy? Oh, really? What else?
1, 2.
What else?
This thing doesn't work?
Needs batteries.
2 minutes left.
Beda. Beda, look at your Christmas book. Santa's Busy Night. He doesn't care about Santa. Beda. Look. Wow.
You got stickers here.
Look.
Stickers.
Oh, yeah. Open this book. Oh, oh. Okay. Look. Christmas cookies.
There's a jewelry box.
Oh.
So.
See how this goes. Wow. Did you see that?
Oh, Mike, nice block.
Wow. Now, my mama?
The jewelry box?
Yeah, she's got it right here, Joe.
Yeah, I have it right here.
Before we throw the garbage away.
She has it right here. I
Right
see
here,
it.
Mom, I
I'm
see
looking
it.
at it right now.
Battery's dying.
That's right. You can end it. Wow. Turn the page, please.